Hello, welcome to my channel Go Bloom. Let's understand digital marketing in 5 minutes. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, such as search engines, social media, email, websites, and mobile applications, to promote products, services, or brands to a targeted audience. It involves various online strategies and tactics to reach and engage with potential customers, drive website traffic, generate leads, increase brand awareness, and ultimately, boost sales and revenue. Here's a brief overview of some key aspects of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO focuses on optimizing websites and content to improve their visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. It involves keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and technical optimizations to increase organic, unpaid, traffic from search engines. 2. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. PPC advertising involves placing ads on search engines or other websites and paying only when a user clicks on the ad. Google Ads is one popular PPC platform. Advertisers bid on keywords, and their ads are displayed to relevant users, driving targeted traffic to their websites. 3. Social media marketing. This involves promoting products or services through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others. It includes creating engaging content, running paid ad campaigns, and interacting with followers to build a loyal community and drive traffic to websites. 4. Content marketing. Content marketing focuses on creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. It can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, ebooks, and more. The aim is to provide valuable information, establish authority, and ultimately drive conversions. 5. Email marketing. Email marketing involves sending targeted emails to a list of subscribers or customers to promote products, offers, or updates. It can help nurture leads, build customer loyalty, and drive sales. Personalization, segmentation, and automation are often used to improve effectiveness. 6. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing leverages the popularity and influence of individuals with a large social media following to promote products or brands. Influencers create content endorsing the products, which helps reach their followers and build trust and credibility. 7. Mobile marketing. With the increasing use of smartphones, mobile marketing aims to reach and engage users on their mobile devices through mobile-optimized websites, mobile apps, SMS marketing, or in-app advertisements. 8. Analytics and data-driven insights. Digital marketing relies heavily on data analysis to measure the effectiveness of campaigns, track website traffic, monitor user behavior, and make data-driven decisions. Tools like Google Analytics provide valuable insights into user interactions and campaign performance. These are just a few examples of the various strategies and tactics used in digital marketing. The field is continually evolving with advancements in technology, and marketers need to adapt and stay updated to effectively leverage digital channels for their marketing efforts.